This is a demo of PoodleGroomer in filter mode with talking synth, kinda mod activated for most of the time. I have diode clipping, so nice liquid ACD resonance. At one point I pressed mute on my Volca mix and you could hear the original sound, and interestingly enough it was more or less sine from this 2180 VCF, but it has bass boost, so it gives it a little bit of squarish sound, but still sounds pretty sinely. But the cool thing about PoodleGroomer is that you can process your sounds that are kinda clean and kinda filter them, which is kinda absurd, but think of it as a kind of wave shaper, and then it kind of filters itself or something. And then I showed a different filter mode where it was a little bit like barking. And now this is the original sequence, and so yeah, we have several mods and stuff. And now I will show you PoodleGroomer without audio input. I have a pingable envelope generator as a modulator with an envelope, and also a gate from Korg SQ-1. Now we will add audio input again. Happy accidents! The last sound is very liquidy, very ACD. I like it. Thanks for watching.